Endangered animal species have significant biological implications within the environment, as a decline of a singular species can affect the biodiversity of global ecosystems. Extinction of these animal populations is occurring at a higher rate than speciation due to human involvement in areas of habitat destruction, overhunting, illegal trade markets, and competition with introduced species for survival. The importance of conserving and maintaining endangered animal populations is critical to ensure the health and welfare of animal species and sustainable global ecosystems that can be preserved for future generations to ensure maximum biodiversity of all species. An example of an endangered species is the Indian elephant. The Indian elephant is the largest subspecies of all wild Asian elephants found within mainland Asia in their natural habitats of grasslands, dry forests, and tropical broadleaf forests. They are currently under threat as a result of habitat fragmentation and deforestation, significantly reducing the numbers of the population in the wild and also forcing them to seek alternative food sources, often close to human villages. Human exploitation in other areas, such as the illegal trade market and the poaching of bull ivory tusks, also contribute to the rate of decline by creating a lack of males in the wild for breeding. The importance of conserving Indian elephants is vital, as they are a keystone species that aid in long-range seed dispersal, which helps reduce the isolation of plant species in small reserves and act as ecosystem engineers that help diversify and transform plant communities. Managing human and elephant conflict has become an important issue as Indian elephants are the most conflict-prone species within India, causing widespread damage to crops and human livelihood. Current management techniques include government conservation programs, such as Project Elephant, by the Indian government hoping to protect elephants and their habitats, introduce welfare policies for domesticated elephants, and help prevent human and elephant conflict in populated areas. Other world-renowned organisations, such as World Wildlife Fund, help bring global public attention to this environmental issue and encourage individuals to get involved and help stop the extinction of the Indian elephant. Whilst the information currently known is sufficient enough to develop successful conservation strategies to preserve the Indian elephant, further research into failed captive breeding programs and the development of peaceful coexistence between humans and elephants will give greater progress into solving this environmental issue. To assist the struggling captive breeding programs, routine monitoring of the reproductive physiology of female elephants is valuable in deciding reproductive management strategies to improve the successes of captive breeding. The continuing public awareness of this issue, both globally and locally, helps promote conservation within the area and establishing government-funded pathways that connect Indian elephant populations without the need to interfere with human civilization and agricultural crop systems, thus reducing the negative implications between human and elephant relationships. As an important species member to ensure a future for other animal species, able to encourage plant growth within the native ecosystem, which helps maintain forest and grassland integrity, the conservation of the Indian elephant is crucial to sustain biodiversity and global ecological systems.